Welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Sebugo Dennis on Arena. So today we are going to be designing a social media banner in Adobe Photoshop. I've already opened up a page which is 30 by 30 centimeters, but you can open up any page you want. And I have downloaded this bag image and I've removed the background, so we are now having a plain background. So first of all, we are going to use this background. We unlock it, then we go to gradient overlay. Very first we go to gradient overlay. So this is it. So let's learn how to use the gradient option in Photoshop. So let's come here to style and we make it radio, so that we are having two colors. One is like this and another one is like this. Radio is the same as circular, so it's rounding. So when we reduce the scale, we see the outer one going inside more. But colors, we are going to use, as we saw there, we are going to use this preset, but we can remove one side of orange and try to push the yellow inside. So we have finished to create the background. So let's get this bagger, Ctrl J, and we duplicate it, and we get the one at the back, and after scaling it up, we can reduce its opacity to 5. Its opacity to 5. So we have some triangle passing through this bagger. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to shapes, then we come here to Polygon Tool. So when we select the Polygon Tool, we get different options here, from here to here. So what we do, a triangle has two sides. So we come to sides and put, has 3 sides, so we come to sides and put 3, and we try to draw our triangle. So it has come with a fill. We can go here, we remove the fill and then put the stroke, give it white as the stroke, and also try to increase the stroke size. Let's leave it like that, then put it into our bagger. So this is it. We can name it here triangle in our shapes, so that we are a bit organized. We can also come in and call this bagger, so that we are organized. So it's like the bagger is inside the triangle. So we are going to do that using there are so many techniques of doing it. We are going to select this triangle, we duplicate it into 2, Ctrl J, okay, then we unsolo the downer one, then come to the top one, right click and rationalize the layer. So it's now an image layer, it's no longer a shape layer. Shape layer always have this icon for shape layer, then image always plain. So what we do, we are going to select our thumbnail for bagger, then Ctrl click. When you make Ctrl click, this bagger will be selected. So what we do, remember we pressed Ctrl and touched this thumbnail layer. So we now select the triangle, the one we rasterized, then we get the lasso tool, we come here, we right click, then we go to layer via cut. So when we make layer via cut, a new layer is now created. So when to try to unsolo this layer, it is like this, okay, it is like this. So we are going to play with this layer. We can decide to remove this, then we can decide to select this and delete. Okay, so when we bring back this one, it's showing like it is passing at the back of our burger. We can also come down here, and we also so what we do, we can select our burger, our triangle and the other shape, and we press Ctrl key or right click and go to group layers. So we call this group burger layers. We can come to color and give it a red. Okay, so we are now having a group which is burger, which we can turn off and on. So when we select our group, we can reduce its size. We use these shape layers and draw here one shape, and let's give it a red color. Right click, we can come to perspective and try to give it some perspective like this, and then we can make another shape tool and make it yellow. That's our title. So we need to put in some accents to our design. So we come here still to the shape, they are already 3. We create one, we give it white fill without stroke, then also go back and create another, then remove the fill and give it stroke, and let's give it around 18. Move it forward like this. So we have created this design pattern. We can select both of them. We can select both of them and right click and convert them to a smart object.